Welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the transit secret engine. So basically, I want to show you how you can set it up and use it. But first, let's get to our CentOS machine, which has Vault installed. So VLT and Vault server config and config.hcl. And now we should go to the HTTP CentOS 9 and unseal the vault. Where is it? Let's use the keys. So basically, Transit Secret Engine is going to allow you to encrypt and decrypt secrets during transit. And there is a interesting aspect to it. So basically, you have to use base64 encoding. And I found a neat trick for you, which may come in handy. So let's do it. Here, under the secret engines, we can enable our new engine, which is going to be transit. Enable the engine. We create a new key. Let's call this demo. We can select a type, which is strong enough for us. And voila. Now we are ready to use it. Also, these keys are versioned and you can rotate them, which is also important. So now, if we enter our CentOS 9 machine, what we can do is to use the following commands. So in order to write a secret, what we will do is to use Vault, write, transit, encrypt, and demo, and the plain text, which is going to be, this is a demo. And as you can see, it failed because it expects us to use, oh, I forgot, export vault address. So now what we have to do is to provide the appropriate command. So this should be the plain text without dash. And as you can see, it errored out because it expects a base64 string. So if you are familiar with Python, you can use the following command to create the base64. So this is demo and pipe. Come on. Python 3.9-m base64-e. And there we go. Here we have the base64 string. And we don't forget the double equals sign. And there we go. Now we have a ciphertext. Let me use it once again. So now, if we want, we can decrypt it. So the following command can be used. This is the decrypt, and we would use the ciphertext equals and this long line. Good. So now we have the plain text, which is in turn base64 encoded. So echo base64 and Python 3.9-m base64-d for decrypt. And there we go. This is how we can interact with this, or we can use the web interface, and basically here we could specify our plain text and we could encrypt it. And if you are not using HTTPS, it should error out because it requires a secure context. Or we could use the decrypt. So let's use the ciphertext this one and decrypt. And here what we can do is to basically look up base 64 online service, and we can use our string from here. Yes, I agree, and decode it. So there we go. This is a demo. And that's basically it. So you need to remember that you have to use the secure context if you want the full features of the web UI. But that was all. See you in the next one.